you. Our chief guest of honors, honorable principal, respected directors ma'am, beloved teachers and my dear friends. Today I am here to deliver a short speech on the importance of education. First of all, I would like to thank my teachers who gave me such a special opportunity to say something at this auspicious occasion of our school opening ceremony. As we all know that education is very important for all of us. Our parents makes us learn many things at home and then sends us to school after the age of 3 years. Our home is our first educational institute where we learn how to behave to others and other skills. Through school education, we learn to develop personality, mental skills, moral and physical powers. Education is necessary in our whole life. It is a slow, continuous process which starts when we take birth and ends when our life ends. It is the level of education that helps people earn respect and recognition. Education gives a person freedom of thought. It broadens one's outlook and makes a person aware of his or her duties or responsibilities. In my opinion, education is necessary for each and every person, whether he is a boy or a girl, because the development of a country vastly depends on education. Most of the Indian farmers are illiterate. They do not have better yields as compared to other countries like America and many more, because they do not know the modern methods of cultivation. But their conditions should be improved. Only then India will progress. The more developed country becomes, the more necessary education is for everyone. Our country would be brightened if we had well-educated peoples. Secondly, education plays a rudimentary role that we can't even imagine a life without it. This assists scientists in inventing equipments which makes our life more easier and comfortable. So, we are trying our best to make education global and accessible for everyone, particularly the poor and the disabled. Nowadays, everyone is trying to go ahead. So, if you want to be a well-known, educated person, you have to work hard, study hard, and achieve the goal of your life. Mainly, people think that book is the only medium for education. But it's not true. We can learn by many other ways. For example, we all like to watch TV, so we have to see channels which gives us information like news channels, Discovery, etc. We can learn by reading newspaper also. It also gives us information about anything. Learning is important for all of us. We make it our daily habit and always try to learn something from our parents, teachers, relatives, and our friends. Learning is necessary for those who want to achieve success in his or her life. But only studies is not good for a person. It makes a person mentally, physically, and emotionally big. So, other cultural activities are also necessary for a person to stay healthy. Hence, education is necessary for all of us. It not only teaches us about subjects like history, science, geography, maths, etc., but it makes us able to live our life